Right, it's been a while since I've done a video. Just thought I'd pop on. I'm actually having a major sort out. The normal videos I usually say I need to sort out. Well, tonight, I'm actually having a sort out. Let's just flip you around. So if you remember, that bench was all covered in, you name it, it was covered. I've recently acquired a couple of bits. I'm slowly sorting everything out and putting them into here. The nice new white ones you can see, tap and die handles, miscellaneous offcuts. That's everything I found on that one bench and part of that one. All the old labels are what somebody else has had, and these nice new white ones are what I'm putting on, sorting all my stuff out. So what am I doing tonight? Well, this railway is coming up. I've started taking it up here. This is the main bridge that was across there. All that track's coming up. Well, actually, the railway goes, you can see a bit of it there. This is how bad it is, and this is why I'm sorting it out. It goes round in the loop to the back, and there's a point there with a loop straight through and a split, and then it joins back up to a point there and comes back round to here. So all this is coming back out, starting with a bridge. Take the bridge out, move this out of the way, get all these benches sorted out. So yeah, all that's been sorted. Taking the railway out, I may decide to go right around the garage with it. Nah, that'll piss the wife off. It will. But at the moment, the problem I have is, you see this piece going across at the middle. That's always in the way, and even when it's tidy, I've got all that stuff on there and I'm not using it, so it needs to go. So yeah, that's what I'm on with. I thought I'd give you a little update. That's looking a lot tidier than it was. Basically everything's coming off here all the way across there. That bench drill will get moved to probably over here somewhere. That grinder's going to get a permanent fixture place somewhere. Nice little lock under there. And that is a sort out bench. That is basically where everything on here, you name it, everything on here is getting put over there and getting sorted. Either, yeah, see I've got bits down there as well. So, hope you enjoyed a little update, and we're back soon. See you later.